What's going on, everybody? I wanted to just create this little video to tell you a little story about when I first started in this trade. I remember I was at a shop working for free as a co-op student through high school because I didn't like to study. I've never liked to study, and now I get to study every day because every day you're supposed to keep learning. And all that to say that one of the guys, there was 5 preppers here working, and one of the guys asked me if I like to be everybody's female dog, if you know what I mean. And I just kind of paused and looked at him and I said, hey, that's funny that you see it that way. Because the way that I see it is that I get to learn from all these guys and learn what they have learned over the years and their experiences, and I get to do that for free. That's amazing. That's amazing. So I would like you, and I encourage you to check your perspectives on things. All right? Because it's easy to say, oh my goodness, I'm everybody's female dog and I'm doing what everybody's telling me to do and this and that. But get this, and listen carefully. I love you, and that is good for you. That is good for you. Why? Because it brings your pride down. And you know why? It brings your levels of skillfulness higher, and it gives it more value, which is what we're all about here at Motivated Painters. And I wanted to just tell you that and remind you that regardless of the situation that you're going through right now, you need to change your perspective. My mother, when I was in high school, she lost her job. And she came up to me and she was crying and she was saying, oh, you know, I lost my job and this and that. I looked at her and I smiled. I'm like, Mom, that's amazing. That means God has a better job for you. So what in your life right now needs a perspective check? What in your life right now that makes you need to have a checkup from the neck up, all right? And I hope that's useful, and so grateful that you're watching, and I'm so grateful that you're here. I hope that this 2.5 minutes have been valuable to you. I love you, and like I always tell you, I care for you and I appreciate you and I believe in you. So keep moving forward. Perspective, perspective, perspective. I love you. God bless you. Peace.